In Windows 7 there's a really useful feature called the jump list, and basically what it is a nice little shortcut. You'll notice I've got Word down the bottom here, it's open, and I've also got Internet Explorer. If I right click on this Word icon, you'll see it pops up with the jump list showing me recently opened files. You'll also notice that I can jump to Microsoft Word if I was in another program, and in a moment I'm going to show you about pinning this program to the taskbar. You can also close the window, and if you've got multiple files open, it will close all windows. So what you can do is, as you move over the recent file list here, obviously you can click on one of them and it opens the file. I can do the same again. I'm just going to click, drag upwards with the left mouse button, and here's my recent file list, and again I can just choose one of them. Now what I might want to do is make one of them a favourite, and basically that's referred to as pinning it to the jump list. And I can simply do that because as I move over it, you'll notice to the right there's what appears to be a drawing pin. And if I click on it, you'll see it moves up to the top here in a section called Pinned, and I can pin a few of them there, and they stay there. And you'll notice that the pin has now changed to look like a different angle, making it look as though it's pinned in. I can unpin it at any time and it jumps back down to the recent list here. This is a very handy shortcut because I can just click on it and I will always know that it's at the top of that list. The same applies here to Internet Explorer. Now I said that's not open, but if I right click, and I could have clicked with the left mouse button and dragged up as well, you'll see it's got frequent files here, and you'll notice I've also pinned one to the top. Again, I could pin something else. I could pin this one and it appears at the top. Now Internet Explorer is not open, but if I click on one of these, it will take me to that page and it will open it. So that's quite useful. So basically that Internet Explorer there is actually pinned to the menu. What I can do is I can make Word pinned here as well to the taskbar, so that even when Word is closed it appears as a shortcut on the taskbar down here. Again, I just right click, pin this program to the taskbar. When I now close Word, it will stay there. If I want to unpin it, I can just right click and unpin it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to close all windows, which will also close Microsoft Word, and you'll see it's still here. If I now click on it, it will open, or I can right click and jump straight to one of the files. So that is how to use the jump lists in Windows 7.